Before starting the conversation, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Ina Teresa with my name 642509 and 03.
My name is Sylvester Andra and my name is 64 25 12 and 09.
With our majoring in management business with class 1A. Thank you. Enjoy watching. Hi Silva, let's talk about our last vacation. Where did we go during the holiday?
Hi Anna, we went to Kediri last month and it was really enjoyable.
Yes, I had a great time. How about starting our trip to Mountain Kulut?
Good idea. Maybe we should visit Mount Kelot early next time to see a sunrise.
I agree. Remember to bring a jacket and keep warm.
The view is amazing. How about spending more time there on our next visit?
That would be nice. Maybe we should bring a mini snack to eat while enjoying the scenery.
After that, how about going to Simpang Lima Pukul?
Sure, don't forget to take a mini photo and enjoy the atmosphere.
In the afternoon, maybe we should rest at the hotel for a while.
Yes, take a short break and save your energy.
In the afternoon, in the evening, how about trying to different local food?
Great idea. Let's try tokwa, nasi pecel, and getuk pisang.
Next time, maybe we should explore more places in Kediri.
Yeah, I agree. How about visiting Kampung Inggris to learn and practice English?
That sounds interesting. Remember to manage the time well and enjoy every moment.
Yes, point colorful and make unforgettable memories.
I hope we can go back to Kediri again someday. That's all for us. Thank you.